It's your boy MrSoloDolee with another food review. I'm doing the ghost pepper wings from Popeyes. You see it? That's it. They look good for me. I mean, they kind of look good to me. We finna see. Got the regular ranch. I thought it came with black and ranch. But oh well. Long as it's ranch, right? Let's go ahead and try this. Now, I taste some heat, but it ain't hotter than as I thought it was gonna be. I just thought it was gonna be like I think me doing all them little hot challenges kind of numb my mouth up. Because I mean, you can taste the heat in them, but they good. They hot. They fresh. They're good though. But yeah, they wasn't bad, you know what I'm saying. But they wish they were a little hotter, cause I mean I think my mouth done went down. But that's it for the review, y'all. You know, I'm sorry it been a while since I did a video. Been going through some things, get things straightened out right now. I'm about to start getting consistent with my videos. So I mean, if you ain't subscribed, please subscribe, share, follow. You know, help a brother out. You feel me? All right, y'all.